Hey everyone, this is Rocky from the Professional Communication Modules. Hope you're doing well. I've had several students ask me about the capital markets room and where it is, and I was confused about it myself at first, so I wanted to share this with you guys. So the capital markets room, for those of you who don't know, is where you can access the research platforms. So Capital IQ, Bloomberg, Morningstar, S&P, all of these, and there are instructions on the Fox business page on how to create logins. You physically have to be in the capital markets room to access a lot of these research platforms. But once you're in the room and you have access to these, you can do a lot of powerful stuff. One of the most powerful things you can do in there is work with raw data. So access and work with raw data. You can also access exclusive reports from some of the financial institutions that I believe, if I'm not mistaken, are sometimes not available to the public or they're offered on a paid basis. But you do not have to pay anything because Temple gives you access to it. However, you physically have to be in the room to access these resources. So if you don't know where it is and you want to go over there, I will quickly show you with this 3D tour here that's available on the nifty 3D tour here on the Fox School of Business. So when you go in the main entrance, and you have two choices. You can go past the security desk and over to the elevators, or you can just hook a right here, past the stairs. And the stairs would be back over here on the right, obviously, and all the way back in the corner is the capital markets room. And it's like a nice little computer lab here. There's the research terminals. And of course, obviously, if you were coming down the elevators back over here and you were facing the stock ticker, you would go through the lobby and to the back there. So hopefully you won't have any trouble finding the room, but if you do, let me know. And if you have some questions about working with the raw data, probably you would want to ask Dr. Sauce. He'll be a more expert resource on that end of things. So any other questions about the professional communication modules, please feel free to let me know, and I'll see you for our next session.